The human circulatory system consists of the heart and a dense body-wide network of blood vessels. It provides the continuous distribution of blood, carrying oxygen to body tissue and organs. Vessels called arteries carry oxygenated blood away from the heart. Arteries, with pulsing high pressure from the heart, branch down into very small vessels called capillaries that allow oxygen to be transferred directly into body cells so it can be used for energy production. Veins, with a lower and much steadier pressure than arteries, return oxygen-poor blood back to the heart and lungs where the cycle repeats. When a significant force hits the body, serious injury to soft tissue and blood vessels will result in bleeding. Heavy bleeding is likely if a large blood vessel is cut or lacerated. Arterial bleeding is bright red and will often spurt from a wound. It can be difficult to control due to the high pressure created by the heart's contractions. If blood is dark red and flowing steadily, it is likely coming from a vein. Clot-forming fibers naturally collect at wound sites to try to stop bleeding, but heavy bleeding can overwhelm this and prevent clotting. Bleeding reduces the amount of oxygen that can be delivered to the body. If heavy or uncontrolled, death from the loss of blood can occur quickly. Even if bleeding is controlled, shock can develop when the blood loss results in a decrease of oxygen transfer to body tissue, most importantly to the brain and vital organs. If not addressed, shock can progress, become irreversible, and result in death. Because the body tries to compensate, early signs of shock can be difficult to detect. A person may simply begin to appear uneasy, restless, or worried. Other more serious signs can emerge gradually. The person may become confused and have difficulty staying awake. The skin can become pale, cool, and sweaty. Breathing becomes rapid and shallow. A person in shock must get to a hospital as quickly as possible. Early recognition is essential for survival.